Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Revision Part 1. The following revision exercises will help to strengthen our learning with respect to some of the topics we have studied so far. So here is the first slide. I'll leave that on for about 15 or 20 seconds and then I'll move on to the other slides. You can pause this slide for as long as you want to give you time to do the answers on a sheet of paper, and then you can restart the video so you have full control here and the answers will be at the end. Okay, so I'll leave this on for a little while, but you control the video and stop it for as long as you want. Now here is the next slide, and as I said before, pause the slide for as long as you want until you have a chance to do the answers, and then you can start the video when you're ready. So if you do all the work on a sheet of paper, I will have the answers for you at the end and you can check how you went. And this is the third and final slide. Pause it for as long as you want, write your answers, and the next slide will start the answers. Now here is the first slide showing the answers. Pause it for as long as you want to check how you went. And I'll move on to the next answer slide in about 10 or 15 seconds. Remember, you've got full control here. You can stop the video anytime you want, for as long as you want. This is the slide number 2, and they are the answers. I'll leave that on for a short while. And these are the last answers. So you notice here there are 4 groups of 4 and there are 2 remainders. Very quickly, if you like, there's one group of 4 there, so let's quickly have a look at that. One group of 4, 2 groups of 4. Remember, we're trying to find out how many groups of 4 there are. 3 groups of 4, 4 groups of 4, there we go. So there are 4 groups of 4 and 2 remainder. Now remember, with this one, we're sharing the apples between 3 children. So each child gets 5 apples. And there are no remainders. So hopefully you went okay with those. You can go over the video anytime you like, and you can pause it for as long as you want.